New at 6, several groups braved the blizzard conditions to make sure essential employees could make it to work safely through all that snow.
They volunteer for this. They love doing it. Fox 4's Reagan Porter went to St. Luke's East and Lee Summit to meet the president of Midwest Crawlers.
Midwest Crawlers and Casey Off-Road make it their mission to get essential employees to work safely when snow covers streets and highways.
We get to get out there, have fun in the snow, but we get to get people where they need to be at the same time.
Brantley Ping calls it a win-win. He's the president of Midwest Crawlers, an off-road club in the KC Metro. He drove a couple people to work here at St. Luke's East and Lee's Summit. Ping recorded this dash cam video Sunday. They serve doctors, nurses, first responders, and people getting to and from medical appointments across the area. Ping says typically in 1 year, about 50 people need a ride. In the last 3 days, they've had north of 1,000 requests. More than 50 volunteers on the Snow Squad have helped more than 400 people.
We don't ask for money, we don't accept money. Just let us bless you. Okay, this is what we love to do. We live for this, and it's just so amazing knowing that we've made an impact on someone's day. And you know, like, we're not doctors, we're not nurses, we're just doing our part so that they can do what matters most.
Ping says they stopped taking requests. Volunteers still have 200 to 300 rides scheduled through Tuesday. However, Midwest Crawlers are not roaming the streets alone. Christian Myers with KC Off-Road also aims to help our heroes.
We have pretty good control over our vehicles, and we're more than comfortable to pick up rides and, treat anyone like that as if they're our own kids or our own parents.
He says their team gave about 100 rides. Myers drove from Gardner to St. Luke's on the Plaza to drop off Melissa Hill's niece, a nurse.
It was just a true selfless act of kindness to get her there to care for other people who are stuck in the hospital. She works in the cardiology floor. These people need her there.
A heartwarming action, making the frigid days a little less cold. Many on social media asked for Myers' Venmo. He says the funds will likely go to new Jeep parts. If you would like to volunteer with either organization, reach out. We posted contact information in this story on fox4kc.com. Reagan Porter, Fox 4, working for you.